Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating essentials, so you don't stop later. First, make sure your Azure subscription and target resource group exist. Note the subscription ID and region. Next, install Azure CLI and the Shidou utility, then run as login to authenticate. Once done, register the Shidou APIs and create a service principal with least privilege role access. This limits blast radius and simplifies token handling. Make sure to securely store client ID and secret. These are needed for the next step. You now configure the latch itself, which is the core of the process. Start by creating the Shidou Latch resource with the correct SKU and set configuration flags. Retry count and timeout values matter for stability. Next, store credentials and secrets in Azure Key Vault, then grant the latch principal access policies. This separates secrets from code. After that, lock down connectivity. Configure private endpoints or VNet integration, add NSG rules, and restrict allowed IP ranges to reduce attack surface. You finish by deploying and validating the latch in production-like conditions. Execute a staged deployment with test inputs, then monitor logs and metrics for successful state transitions and 200 responses. This confirms both config and connectivity. Once verified, enable alerts, telemetry, and an automated rollback policy to catch regressions quickly. If something goes wrong, first check service principal roles and key vault access, then validate network paths and latch health metrics. Often the issue is permission or networking, not code.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.